Alright guys, I just changed the, I doubled up the exhaust gasket and cleaned up the first two plugs on this side here. I mean, this is what they look like. Well, this is after I cleaned them. They were fucking dirty as hell, and these are brand new plugs. So I think I think it's leaking oil from one of the valve seals on the number 1 piston here, so I think it's getting the plug soaking wet full of oil and it's falling out on me. But let's see if this, they're doubling up this gasket will stop the tick. So, well, I'll post another vid and let you guys know when I'm done with it.